Guys, I think that's it. It's the last of them. They're all quiet. All the cicadas are quiet. I just noticed that this morning. You know, eating waffles. And then I just opened the door. Well, I mean, the door's already open, and then it's quiet. There's no more buzzing, there's no more screeching, there's no more crawling around here and there. That was it. There's only a few left. That's the last of them. It's the last week. More like the last 3 days at this point. It's just all overnight, boom. The cicadas are all dead. Came out, they partied, and then now they're dead. Just gonna kind of show off here what's going on. Oh. See if I can try and find any. Yeah, so let's do that. The leaves are just stripped bare. There's not a single cicada. I made a video about this patch of plants, and there were hundreds of them, remember? Where did they all go? I only hear the occasional chirp like twice. Wait a minute. Is that? Oh my gosh. Cicada. It's still here. There he is. I guess I'll... Oh, there's another one. Right there. Nowhere. There's just none. They're all gone. There used to be everywhere in the grass. Sorry. Look how many dead ones are on the slide. Look at all that. I want you to leave a like and subscribe for the loss, because to be honest, although they were pretty annoying when I'm trying to make videos now, I feel like I'm gonna miss them. They're just bodies that just crawled up to the grass and then they fell asleep. Ow. Something just fell from that. Oh, this thing. This thing just hit me on the head. Look at all that. That's one. That's one. That's one. There's one too. There's two. They're all just dead. Look at that guy. Maybe on the apple trees, we might find some. Only one. Once again, leave a like and subscribe. Oh, there's one. There's another dude. Yeah. It's their last week, and then bye-bye for 17 years. I'm gonna be pretty old. I'm gonna be like 28 next time they come out here now. There used to be a lot of shells, but now the shells have been replaced with just their own dead bodies. Even Maple will have a loss, because this dog right here has eaten one of my Venus flytrap pots. No thank you, Maple. Hey. Oh my gosh. Please no. Please tell me there wasn't a plan there. Hey. Hey. That's mine. It's mine. Drop it. Leave it. Hey, leave it alone. Leave it. Oh, good. But she loved the cicadas. She would always just like, no, this is mine. She would eat them, though, and apparently she liked them because she would sniff them down every morning. Now she's all sad. I seriously doubt she's gonna see them again in her lifetime. Like, I know that sounds pretty sad, but they're all going. And any ones that she sees right now, she'll never see again. Just like this year, they're all gone though. I'm really gonna miss them. Brood X, was it? I get it, guys. You're gonna be spamming the chat like, okay, you're so dramatic. There's annual cicadas, but the annual cicadas aren't like these ones. The annual cicadas are like camo-ish. They're greenish and they're a lot bigger. I like these ones, which I'll probably not see again for, you know, all 17 years. Yeah, it's certainly sad, so please subscribe. Oh, we have one still alive. Right back there. You know, I'll leave them in peace. And next week, there won't be any at all. This tree used to be crowded with them. Like hundreds. You would slap the tree with a bat or shake it, and then a swarm would come off, but no. I only see one or two on there. Even then, for its popularity, there's only the faintest amount. Not a single one anywhere else. And I guess around the tree explains a lot. It's really hard to see on camera, but there's so many dead bodies down there. There he goes. Flying away. I miss it too, Maple. Oh, there's another one. What do you see? Oh, neighbors. That's fine. Keep it down. I'm trying to make a video. I'm sad though. It's really sad for me because this is the first time I've seen them. And I don't even hear their chirps anymore. It was just, once again, overnight. And then overnight, that was it. Rest in peace, cicadas. Rest in peace. I do now feel very guilty for any times that I've killed them. Even though hopefully that number isn't too high. Because the irony is thick. I was annoyed by them and now I miss them. It's really ironic. Yeah, please subscribe. They're everywhere in the grass. Please do. What now? Okay, that's enough for today. Leave a like and subscribe. Even Maple. Maple, what do you have to say about this? She misses it. Yes, she's telling you to subscribe too. You must do so. for the sake of the cicadas. I hear an occasional chirp. Goodbye, my friends. Thank you for all the support that you guys have been showing me lately. And there's your bird right there. But yeah, thank you. And have a nice day. Bye. I just accidentally cut the video instead.